How do we convert inches to miles? The solution to this question requires a bit of arithmetic. The number of miles for a given number of inches is equal to the number of inches divided by the number of inches in a foot multiplied by the number of feet in a mile. The number of inches per feet multiplied by the feet per mile is equal to 63,360. So the number of miles for a given number of inches is the number of inches divided by 63,360. Let's take a look at an example to cement this newfound knowledge. If we want to convert 50,000 inches to miles, we need to take 50,000 and divide it by the number of inches per feet multiplied by the number of feet per mile. Now we know that the number of inches per feet is 12, and the number of feet per mile is 5,280. Therefore, the number of miles in 50,000 inches is equal to 50,000 divided by 63,360, which gives us a number of miles rounded to 4 digits, that is 0.7891 miles. Converting inches to miles is a fairly simple arithmetic operation. However, it is better to use an online converter in order to ensure that our answers are accurate. Using our previous example, we can see that the answer, in fact, is 0.78914 repeating. If you would like to use this conversion calculator yourself, the link to the calculator is in the description below.